The customer sees unwanted furniture, boxes, renovation debris, or an entire property cleanout. The operator sees volume, weight, stairs, travel, labor, disposal rules, and the chance that one hidden item changes the whole job. Junk removal and dumpster rental solve the same problem differently. A removal crew provides labor and immediate hauling. A dumpster stays with the customer, which reduces loading labor but ties up equipment and creates more uncertainty about what gets placed inside. Quoting from one photograph is risky. A sofa on a driveway is not the same as a sleeper sofa in a third-floor apartment. Useful questions cover access, parking, elevators, item size, material type, weight, hazards, and who has authority to approve the work. Disposal cost can change by material and location. Household debris, construction waste, mattresses, tires, appliances, electronics, concrete, paint, and refrigerant equipment may have different rules and fees. Mixing the wrong item into a load can create delay or rejection. Weight matters because a trailer can look half empty and still reach its safe limit. Dense roofing, soil, tile, and concrete behave very differently from boxes and furniture. Equipment ratings and local transport rules have to guide the load, not visual guesswork. Labor time includes more than lifting. Crews protect floors, disassemble items, carry through narrow spaces, sweep the area, drive to disposal, wait at the scale, unload, and prepare the truck for the next job. Route planning changes the day. Two nearby jobs that combine into one legal load may be excellent. A small job followed by an hour at a congested transfer station can consume the slot that was supposed to hold the next customer. Reusable items create options, not guaranteed profit. Donation, resale, scrap, and salvage can reduce disposal and occasionally add revenue. Sorting also takes space and time, and storing hopeful inventory can quietly turn the owner's yard into another junk problem. Lead cost deserves close attention. Search ads can be expensive because customers often call several companies. Reviews, property managers, contractors, real estate professionals, repeat commercial accounts, and visible trucks may create leads with very different economics. Track quoted price, actual crew hours, drive time, disposal weight, disposal fee, fuel, lead source, close rate, damage claims, repeat business, and revenue per truck day. A full calendar does not guarantee that each load paid for itself. A sensible start uses known disposal sites, clear prohibited item rules, safe equipment, a small service radius, written quote assumptions, and enough cash for repairs. The owner should learn load economics before adding a second truck. The work can produce strong local demand because clutter, moves, renovations, and property turnover never disappear. The business becomes reliable when the crew can look at a messy job and predict what it will require before the truck leaves the yard.